to Charlie 71. The report of a man down 100 East Gate, from the Belleville.
Oh, look who's here.
Hi, honey. How you doing?
Hey,
Nikki,
Oh,
how are you?
very.
What's
Yeah,
happening?
I'm okay. How you doing?
Not bad.
Good.
So what are you guys up to? You look very nice today. All smart and dressed in.
You like our
I
uniform?
feel like, yeah, I do. I'm still trying to decide which pants I like best, but you know what? On second thoughts, I think I like the old ones better. I'm on Al's good.
You can patronize the old guy, that's okay.
I figured.
You know more coke these days, or?
No, I'm doing very little coke. This is what my major problem is cocaine.
Do you mind if I take your picture?
Yeah, okay. You can have like pictures, sweetheart.
I've carried
You
a
wanna make
camera with me
poster size
throughout my
version
entire
of it,
career, off and on, and by showing little vignettes down here, little frozen images of the skids about how the life is down here, what the lifestyle is like, and show them to